Wait, woo! What's happening, legend? Hope you're doing absolute amazing. What a year it's been. 2020 flipped around right now and we're in 2021. And again, New Year's resolutions, I am not a big fan of that at all. I think it's a funny thing, right? We like gimmicks. We like things that we can, now I'm doing this, or now I'm doing this little challenge, or, now it's a fresh page and I want to go into the new year with some new goals and some new thoughts again. But again, this is just a date. This is just somebody that put a time on it and decided this is a shift and now we're going into a new calendar year, right? But again, what I want to share with you in this video here is that how do you actually take your body, your mind, and yourself to the next level in your life and being able to do that consistently, right? But again, the New Year's here thing right now, it's very appealing. So how do we then crush January 2021 and getting the best start to the year? And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video here. Because again, if we start developing these things I'm about to share with you, right, you can then implement them into February. You can implement them into March, April, June, July, right? You can implement these things in there and you will start seeing sustainable results with your body, with your mind, and with your life, right? So number one, what we need to do and what we need to do on a monthly, on a quarterly, half a year, yearly basis is that we need to look at our direction, our goals. What is the things that we really would like to achieve for ourselves? Are we going in that direction, right? First of all, when we're sitting down and when we're writing our goals, we need to be clear, we need to be specific, and we need to be imaginable about what is the things that we actually want to achieve, right? Because again, like, I want to lose 5 kgs. Okay, great. Why? Why is that 5 kgs going to do something good for you? How is that going to improve your life, right? And this is where a lot of the time where we go wrong when we're setting goals is that we are thinking about from where we are right now and what is the things that we can achieve. What is the things that's achievable? What is the things that, okay, I can actually see this happen here right now, right? But again, when we're sitting down and making these goals, I want you to first of all become imaginable. Start imagining about what is the things that really would juice you up. What house do you want to live in? How much money do you want to earn? What is the body? What is the vitality? What is the sex life? What is the energy, the motivation, the people you want to have around you, right? What is your bedroom going to look like? What is your apartment going to look like? What is the things that really will juice me up? How many travels, how many trips are you going to go on in the next 3 months? I want you to be excited about your goals, right? And this is where most of us go wrong all the time, is that we're setting achievable goals. We're setting goals that's like, yeah, okay, I can do that, but if I don't hit them, whatever, it doesn't really change my life that much, right? So that's the first thing. I want you to set specific, clear, good goals, big goals for yourself, right? I want you to just become imaginable. All areas of your life, put them into categories if you need to, but just think about your life, spread it out and be like, okay, what is the things that I really would nail down here right now, right? Then I want you to pick 2 to 3 goals specifically, right? Specifically, maybe in 2 or 3 areas of your life, and then be like, okay, this is the one that I'm gonna work on for the rest of January. This is the one I'm going to work for the rest of January. The 2 other goals you can push out a little bit, right? But this one here are going to hone in. So we did that as your body, right? Getting your body into a vitality, feeling sexy, feeling good about yourself. Let that become your focus for the next month, 2 to 3 months, right? Because oftentimes when we are nailing something, right, we're getting success in a certain area, we will then start developing that momentum and that success repetition with ourselves, right? And oftentimes, for us to want to get in better shape with our body, oftentimes that sort of like accomplishment is canalizing into other areas of the life. Our work, our confidence, our dating life, our sex life, our bank account, right? It has a positive impact on all these sort of things there, right? So number one, that's what I want you to do. Become imaginable. Sit down, write out all the goals, and then pick 2 to 3 goals that you would like to work on, and then go in and then pick what is one specific goal they're gonna focus on here now moving forward into the next couple of months here, right? Then number 2, I want you to then write down what are some clear, specific target points that I need to hit on a daily and a weekly basis in order to achieve these goals, right? So let's say your goal is that I want to just get into the best shape of my life again. Okay, great. What do you need to do on a daily and a weekly basis in order to be on track, in order to hit that goal down 8 weeks, 12 weeks from now, right? What food do you need to eat? What training do you need to do? How many sessions do you need to do? How much food are you going to do? When are you going to prep it? When are you going to take time off? When are you going to reward yourself? When are you going to, how are you going to keep yourself motivated and keep yourself on track? Who are you going to keep? Who do you have in your corner to support you? Like, what are all the things that you need to have in place in order to, okay, this is what I do. I need to have full focus on the things there. Because when we start getting the focus of like, this is what I do, our brain naturally finds a way to make that happen, right? And as soon as we get the momentum and the movement going, and we can start ticking off these boxes on a day-to-day basis, right? Our daily targets, our weekly targets, we can then get that momentum that's needed for us to execute all the way down the track there, right? Because again, as I've talked about in other videos, having goals is great, right? It's processes, right? It's outcome, right? Doing the things, processes towards our goals, the outcome, right? But when you start doing things on a day-to-day basis, right, you start developing and you start evolving and you start seeing and you're getting success in these areas there, right? So that's what I want you to encourage you to do. Get imagined with your goals, get daily and weekly specific targets, and then number 3, find someone to be up in your ass and keep you accountable. Find a coach, right? Go on a program. Find a friend that's tough on you. Find a friend that already have what you want, right? So whatever it is in your areas, if there's someone that's fit, someone that's training, get in contact with that annoying friend that always were, super fit and she or he was always doing the right thing in that area that you want to achieve in there right now. Is it your business, right? Find someone, find a business person, an uncle, a dad, right? Like a colleague, a boss. Maybe go to your boss and be like, hey, can you keep me accountable? And that's for the next 8 weeks. I need to hit my targets, right? I need to do that, right? Get a coach, right? Pay money for help. When we are paying money, the saying is whoever pays, pay attention. The more you pay, the more attention you pay, right? So when you have the skin in the game of like, okay, I put money into something right now, I'm gonna execute, right? I'm accountable to this person over here right now. I'm checking in with him and her on a weekly basis, and they know what I do. I know what I do. They know that I'm knowing that I know that, right? I am responsible. Your brain again automatically finds a way to make this happen here, legend, right? So again, this is how you are nailing anything, basically. You're changing the processes, you're changing the outcome, and you're then elevating your baseline, you're elevating your identity because you start doing and you start seeing yourself do it over and over again there, right? So again, you can implement this in here to January 2021, or you can implement it into every single month and every single area of your life, and you can achieve whatever you want, right? Good things takes time, but if you're having the processes in place, it's like a recipe. It's just about time. It's just about the right feeling, the right experience with how many times have you made that chocolate cake, right? So again, get the skeleton in. Become imagined, getting the goals down, right? Dream about them. Nail it down to 1 to 2 to 3 goals, and then hone in on one that you're gonna nail in for the rest of January, maybe February and March, right? Do these sort of things, then have daily and weekly targets in place that keeps you excited. What do I need to tick off? What do I need to do? How well did I go this week here? When did I move forward? Track my numbers. Have daily targets that show you and give you that success that you need so you can get that bigger outcome achieved out in the future. And then number 3, find someone to keep you accountable. If you want me to help you with the things that we're talking about right now, you can click the button below, right? And you can go in and schedule a free call there. But again, it doesn't have to be me. It could be someone else. It could be your friend. It could be someone, but you need to have someone in your life that keeps you accountable and keeps you on tracks for the things you must achieve there. Because again, success is a must. Being better is a must. Growing is a must. Growing is part of life, and if you don't grow and if you don't move forward and if you just let life happen to you, like, how cool is that? How good is that? How good would you feel about yourself down the track? And this is why I'm so juiced up. This is why I'm doing these videos. This is why I'm here for you. This is why I'm working with clients every single day. I want to see more people succeed. I want to see more people have that energy, because why? they got a purpose I'm driving towards right now, right? I'm on a mission, I'm achieving things, and the more we can kind of like achieve, the more we can accomplish, the more we can evolve as a person and learn, right? The more we can give to others, and the better world we can create for people around us, right? Again, if you want me to help you detail, customize, actually tailor a plan for you that will work for whatever goal you wanted to achieve right now in your life, right? Take your mind, your body, and your emotions to the next level. Click the button below, right? And go in and schedule a call. If you like this video here, or if you like to more topics around these sort of area here, please leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Chat to you soon, legend.